Welcome to my channel. Now, this is going to depend on which channel you see in this video. If you're looking at this video on Coding with Verl, well, it explains how we get here. If you're looking at this on Verl, etc., then it's also explained why we end up with Verl, etc. Previously, I had one channel, and it was mostly about coding, and that was called Vilito Exquisitus, and that name was just accidental, and I just never changed it. However, I realized that I wanted to post videos about other things. So in the middle of 2024, I put out a video saying that, I'll have two channels. One is going to be on Go alone, so Go specific stuff. And then another is going to be about everything else, including programming in other languages, programming concept, tools for programming, but also my thoughts on, tech and all this other stuff. That was the idea. But I still wasn't happy after I proposed that. So then I realized that what I really want is to keep the channel called Vilito Exquisitus that already has a number of topics about coding and coding related content. I'll just keep that and call it Coding with Verl. And it will remain a channel about just coding in general. And there are things that I still plan to do there, like showing how to use AI to generate code and forms and implementing blockchain and get back to my embedded programming. So that is going to be Coding with Verl. So if you are subscribed to Vilito Exquisitus, or if you're subscribed to my channel where you see coding stuff, you're fine. You don't have to do anything else. Just the channel name would have changed from whatever it was before to now Coding with Verl, and that's going to be the final name. I'm not going to change it. I also created a new channel called Verl, etc. And that's where I'm going to start posting content related to solar, owning EV, tech trends, my experience with trying to buy something called a yard robot. Hope if that doesn't make any sense to you, well, I'll have some videos about that. So 2 channels going forward. How is that going to be laid out? Well, let's take the channel Coding with Verl, for example. Within that channel, we already have a number of playlists. And you can think of each playlist as a collection of videos for a specific theme or topic. So one playlist is actually called Go on the Run, and it's all about Go related stuff. There's a playlist for NAT. There's a playlist for Pocket Base. And so for every sort of major topic, I'll have a playlist, and then of course the set of videos for that. Similarly, if you think about the channel Verl, etc., if I'm talking about solar panels or solar, I'm going to have a playlist for solar. And if I'm talking about EVs, I'll have a playlist for EVs. And so I'm going to keep it organized that way. Now, for Coding with Verl, the permanent link is going to be at Coding with Verl, all one word, lowercase. So if you ever want to find it, it's just youtube.com/at Coding with Verl. Just type that or give that to anyone else and they'll find the channel. Temporarily, channel might show up as Coding with Vilito, but that is going to change. Again, depending on when you're watching this video, it might already have been changed, but you need not worry about that if you're already subscribed. This is just sort of like details, just letting you know what would happen or when you see things change. As for my Verl, etc. channel, it's already been created, youtube.com/at Verl etc. And that's it. Please do me a favor. If you are subscribed to my Coding with Verl channel and you like my style and content I create, I think you're going to also like the content I'll be creating for Verl, etc. So please do me a favor and go subscribe to Verl etc. channel. Even if you don't see any content yet, subscribe and click the notification bell so that when I start posting videos there, you will get notified. Now, what is coming up next? The last set of actual videos that we did, coding related, was with Pocket Base, and that was showing you how we can use this application to make our backend without having to write a ton of code. So I think what pairs nicely with that is to show you how to create front-end application easily, so that you can create full stack applications and then you can get up and running very quickly. And so the first front-end tool I'm going to look at is AppSmith. So look out for those set of videos on AppSmith. It's going to be on my channel Coding with Verl. So yeah, those are going to be the 2 channels, Coding with Verl and Verl, etc. So see you in the next video, which is going to be on AppSmith. Take care, stay safe, bye.